Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial I will explain how you can find currency of a country using Python. For that, first of all, we will install a module. So pip install pycountry and we will run this. So just wait, you can see it is in queue, it is being installed. So just wait. So you can see it has successfully installed this package pycountry. Okay, and now what I will do, I will define a function. So function name will be get currency, let's say, and here I will pass the country name. Now I will explain this function. So what I will do, I will use try block, and here first of all I will get the country. So pycountry dot countries dot lookup, and here I will pass country name. That's it. And then I will find the currency. So first of all I will search the country in this module pycountry. So pycountry dot countries dot lookup, and here I will pass the country name, and I will first of all find the country, and then I will find the currency of that particular country. So for that I will use again pycountry dot currencies dot get, and here I will pass numeric is equals to country dot numeric. That's it, and I will return the country name. So I will use the f string. I will use the currency of here I will pass country name is, here I will write currency dot name. Currency dot name. That's it. Okay, so this is a try block, and then I will use exception handling. So except I will return if the country is not found, or if the currency information is not available, I will pass in I will handle in the exception. So I will write country not found, or currency information unavailable. That's it. And now what I will do, I will take the input from the user. So country name, I will take the input from the user. So input, here I will ask the user to enter country name, and then I will pass this country name in the function. So I will pass it in the function. So function name is get currency, get currency, and here I will pass the country name. That's it. So what I am doing, I am taking the input from the users. I am asking the user to enter the country name, and then I am passing this country name in this function, get currency function. And here, with the help of this module pycountry, first of all I am finding the country. So pycountry dot countries dot lookup country name, and then I am getting the currency information pycountry dot currencies dot get, and here I am passing this country, and then I am returning the currency of country name is this currency name. And exception, there is one exception if the country name is not country not found, or if the currency information is unavailable. So let's try to run this cell. So here it is asking me to enter the country name, so let's enter USA. Oh, one thing I forgot, I must import the package first. I have installed the package, but I have not imported it. So import this package, and now let's run this. So enter country name. So let's enter country name USA. Press enter, and you can see the currency of USA is US dollar. So let's rerun this cell, and now this time I will enter country name as India. Press enter, and you can see the currency of India is Indian rupee. So it's very easy code. I have already explained. I am asking the user for input, and then I am passing this country name to this function. And first of all I am looking for the country, and then I am looking for the currency. And if the country name is not available, I am handling the exception. That's all. So thank you for watching.